How's it going, guys? Brian here with LA Freedom K9. I'm here with my 8-month-old German Shepherd. I see there's a lot of controversy right now with the e-collar online. I want to show you that she is conditioned just to the beep on my e-collar, and that is for the off-leash walking. I have her conditioned to where as soon as I hit that beep, she comes right into the heel position. So when we are off-leash walking and she gets a little far from me, all I got to do is hit it and she tightens right back up. Let's go for a walk and I'll show you how it's done. Good girl. Falling a little behind, so I'm going to hit that beep. There we go. Kind of picked up the pace a little bit. Good girl. And that, folks, is why I have her conditioned to the beep right there. So we can have a beautiful off-leash walking experience together. All right, that's how it's done. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate. Thank you.